Today I'm super excited to present to you a gorgeous home. It is an ultra modern architectural masterpiece in the heart of Sandton, minutes from Sandton Mall, seconds from major highways, so we can get everywhere we want to get to super fast, but we are in the heart of the hustle and bustle of Johannesburg. And this house is built beautifully, it is designed beautifully, and it is decorated in a stunning fashion, so I think you will fall in love. We have 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, multiple living spaces, and really all the top end finishes you can possibly wish for. Let's go and have a look.